Hello everybody. Today I'll be showing a video on an app called RevHeadz. Now this is an app if you're looking to play, not really play a game, but more so play around with some controls and hear basically the exhaust or engine sounds of a car. So if you're bored, looking to kill time at work or something, this app for you. Now when we browse through the app, there's different selections, and mainly each selection leads to hearing the sound of a different car based off its number of cylinders. So for example, here we have the race car pack. We have a 5.8 liter V8 engine. Then we have the supercar pack with a 5.2 liter V10 engine. And each pack has different selections. So for example, I already mentioned the 5.8 liter V8, and also have a 5.5 liter V10 TDI, and as well we have a 3.6 liter flat six. So I'm pretty sure this is a Porsche, the flat six engine. You already tell by the little silhouette as well. So let me click drive. And here are the controls. So if you want to hear the car, you just need to press the basically engine sound here. And here we go. The car is in neutral. So let me do some revs here. Yeah, that's definitely a Porsche. Alright, now the first gear. I'm gonna go from first to sixth gear, or let's see. Yeah, that's how many gears this car or the Porsche has. So let me do a top speed run and see if you guys like how the app sounds. So there we go. 3, 2, 1. And we're pretty much at the end of the speedometer. I think I have it configured to kilometers per hour, but I'll try to change that later on in this video. So let me downshift for a second. Fourth gear, third gear, second, first. Alright, now's the 3.6 liter flat six, which is basically a Porsche. Probably the GT3, so 911 GT3 RS, or just the GT3 without the RS. So we have the supercar pack. There was if you like JDM cars, I think this is the RX-7. Mazda RX-7. The same car they probably find in Fast and Furious. So let's click drive. Now I'm just going to rev the engine quickly so you get a feel of how this car sounds. Turn on. And for information, the turning vehicle on it's the power button on the top right of your screen. Okay, let's do some revs. It's definitely a Mazda RX-7. I think I won't go through all the gears. Just have 6 gears like most cars. Yeah, 6 gears. I'll go to second. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Alright, that was the second gear. Now I would like to go through all the gears, but I'm just trying to give you a quick understanding of this app. Now there are different packs, but you're gonna have to buy them. Like for example, the modern Grand Prix pack you have to purchase it. And as far as I know, any of the add-ons here, they're 99 cents. So if you want to buy the Modern Grand Prix pack, it's 99 cents. Through whether it's Google Play or the Apple Play Store. So it'll be 99 cents for either platform. We also have the import pack. Let me see. For your Boxer. I think this is Subaru WRX STI. Let me see. Yeah, it's a Subaru. Let's go to second. I'll do third this time. Third gear. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, okay. That was a pretty good run. Now, like I mentioned earlier, this is great if you just want to hear the different kind of sounds a different car makes based off its how many cylinders it has. So you tell it's a 4-cylinder Boxer, and this is for the import pack. You have V10, pretty much any car in this app. Now there are some other things like there's this chainsaw sound. If you're curious how this sounds, then let me go through it. It's a little some things. Now, this is a chainsaw. Now, I'm not familiar how chainsaws work. I know they work, but I'm not sure what this button on the bottom left does. Probably some makes the sound of cutting a tree down. But yeah. Now this is the chainsaw sound. You also have motorcycles like right here. You also have motorcycle here, which is a sport bike, and the motorcycle I just mentioned earlier, which is this, is more like a Harley Davidson. Now, like in these other packs, the GT pack number 1, this one costs 99 cents. 99 cents on Google Play or the Apple Store. So the same with these. Now, let me show you what cars you get. Let me browse through these. You have 4 in the GT pack too. 1, 2, 3, 4. And for the GT pack 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. And just to finish this video up, this is a great app if you want to hear car sounds. Now, I did purchase some packs. For example, the Street Tuner pack, I purchased this. Now, when you first download the app, it's going to have some already ready for you to play on, and others you have to purchase. Now, I know I purchased the Street Tuner pack, like I mentioned earlier, and I think I purchased one more, V8 Thunder. Now, this already stocked, I'm not sure. I think I purchased it, I don't recall. But anyways, yeah, it's a great app if you want to kill time. Here's some car sounds. Now, the app is pretty big. I think it's around 300 megabytes. So if you have a device that's running a bit tight on storage, I recommend you doing some preliminary thinking. Maybe you want to clear up some of your space on your cell phone or tablet. Or maybe you just need to hear this warning so you could connect to your Wi-Fi and won't use up your mobile data. So anyways, thank you for watching, and again, please subscribe, like, comment. I'll be producing a lot more content like this in the future. And thank you for watching. Goodbye.